What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna keep it cute and casual today, okay? I've got my Guns N' Roses t-shirt on, I've got my coffee, we're just keeping it chill. Gonna have a little conversation about why it's important to hire a realtor. Whether you're buying or selling, having a realtor can be a valuable asset. But before we get into it, as always, like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss anything from moi. And let's get into it. The benefits of hiring a realtor. Number one, market knowledge. One of the most important reasons to hire a realtor is because of their knowledge of the current market conditions. We have access to information and data on home prices, recent sales, and market trends, all things that can be valuable for you when you're either listing or buying a house. Number two, negotiating. Negotiating the terms of a sale can be complex. And realtors are expert in this area because we've actually had to go through training for it. Well, at least most of us. We can help you get the best deal and protect your interests during the transaction. Number three, contracts and paperwork. This one is a biggie because there's a lot. I think a lot of people don't realize how much paperwork actually goes in and how many deadlines and details you really need to pay attention to during the home buying or selling process. It can be very confusing. It's our job to help you understand these documents and also ensure that everything is completed on time. Number four, time management. Searching for a new home or listing your current one can be a very time-consuming process. There is a lot that goes into this as well. Realtors can help you save so much time by doing this work for you. We can schedule your viewings and your inspections. We can handle the paperwork, as I mentioned before. And also, we can coordinate all the closing things. Number five, I think. Why do I always get lost around this number? Our network of resources. We have a network of other resources that you may not have access to. That includes things like other realtors, vendors like mortgage brokers, inspectors, people that are going to need to be on your side during this process, but you may not already know. It's our job to help navigate this process with you, and part of that is connecting you with the right people. Buying or selling a home can be a very emotional process, and having a realtor, somebody that's outside of that emotion, can really help you along the way. We can help separate the emotions from the things that need to get done and the decisions that need to be made. And pro tip, a realtor can actually help you save money. Because of our knowledge of the market, we can advise on pricing strategy, home repairs, and can even negotiate with other vendors or the seller or buyer on the other side of your transaction to help save you money. So to wrap it all up, hiring a realtor is a very important step in the home buying or selling process. We offer valuable expertise that can help you get the deal done and in the best way for all parties. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions for me or want to reach out, my contact information is in the description box below, or you can reach out directly. My email will be in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss anything from me, and I will see you next time. Bye.